Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Emily. So for today's video, you guys, we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. As you guys can see, I crimped my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I went ahead and did that. It's super easy, you guys. I'm always the type of person to just like straighten my hair or kind of just like do nothing with it. So when I got this crimper, I loved it. It's super easy. So if you would like to see how to achieve this hair, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some heat protectant spray in my hair. I'm using the Tresemme Keratin Smooth one. I've been using this one for a while actually. I'm actually not too good about putting heat protectant spray in my hair, so lately I've been really trying to take more care of my hair. I just got my hair done for my birthday, so I also got it trimmed because my hair was really dry, so I was in desperate need of a trim for sure. So I went ahead and already like split my hair down the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and just like section off this hair so it doesn't like combine with the other hair. So the crimper that I have is from Bedhead. It's Waveaholic. So this is the one that I have. I got this one for Christmas. I love this one. I don't really know the inches or anything like that, but I know they have like different sizes or whatever. But yeah, I have this one. So for the heat, you can do low, medium, or high. So they recommend medium if your hair is kind of wavy already, and then high if like your hair is you know, a little harder to crimp or straighten or whatever. So I put mine in between like low and medium. It kind of just really depends. So for my birthday dinner, I crimped my hair. I'll go ahead and insert a picture here. So when I did my hair there, my crimps were just way more like tighter, a little bit more. But when I don't want my crimps to be as tight and like a little bit more loose, I'll kind of just like lower the heat a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So my heat is in between low and medium. So I'm just gonna go ahead. It really doesn't take too long, but it does like get a little tiring, not gonna lie, because like, you know, you have to keep your arms up or whatever. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little section, and then I hold mine between 12 to 15 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 12 seconds. Alright, so that's my first little crimp, if you guys can see. So you just like keep on going. So you just go again. So cute. And then for the end, I do leave a little bit of it straight, but not too much. So like I'm gonna crimp a little bit more and just leave like that straight. And bam! Look how cute! So you just continue to do the same thing, you guys. Go ahead and grab another section. I don't grab too big of a section either. Not too big or too small. Guys, this hairstyle is so cute for like the summer right now. And like I said, I mean, it's so easy. You're literally just going, you know, down every couple seconds, but um it just takes like a good 20-25 minutes or so. I mean, obviously depending like how long um your hair is or whatever. For me, it takes me about like 20 minutes or so. um well, because like I like talk in between, or like I listen to music or like whatever, so I'm never really like, but yeah, so cute. Guys, I had so my birthday was yesterday. um Honestly, it was a pretty sad birthday because, I mean, okay, so obviously I'm grateful for another year, so let me not be like ungrateful or whatever, but um I always just like to like celebrate my birthday and stuff. I mean, like, who doesn't? So like just not even being able like to go to dinner and stuff was just like, it sucked. So I made my birthday dinner here at home yesterday. The good thing is that over the weekend we did go eat, but like it was also something fast. Like we literally just went to go eat. We walked a little bit downtown. There was still some people out or whatever, and like we just like walked back to our car and we went home. So I really didn't do anything. I actually wanted to go to Houston for my birthday, but yeah, that obviously didn't work out. So hopefully once all this crap is all over and everything is back to normal, once everybody has like their life together again, then hopefully we can like take a trip, because I feel like we're really gonna need it. It's been such a stressful time. Like I'm just so tired of like just seeing it and hearing about it, like every time you get on the TV or you're on your phone. Like it's just so crazy. But we just have to stay positive and just be together. All right, you guys, so half my hair is done. It looks so cute. um it didn't take me too long. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side real quick, but yeah, you guys, super cute. I love how it came out, and like I said, really easy to do as well, just a little time consuming, and your arm may hurt a little bit, but it's okay. All right, you guys, my hair is all done. It came out so cute and it feels so cute. Look how short my hair is, you guys. I got it trimmed and it just feels so short, but it looks so much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some oil in my hair. I'm using the Garnier Marvelous Oil. It has avocado, olive, and almond oil. So guys, like, just a little bit, okay? And then you just like run it in between your hair. And it's gonna be silky smooth all day. It's not gonna frizz up. But yeah, you guys, it came out so freaking cute. What do you guys think? So it took around 25 minutes to do my hair. And that's with me kind of talking, so that's really not too bad, you guys. But yeah, guys, this is the bed head one. I love it. It's super easy to use, and you can choose like what temperature you want to use, so how tight you want them to be, or if you want them to be a little bit looser. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back with more videos, you guys. Honestly, my YouTube channel is just a little bit of everything: workout videos, beauty videos, hair videos, vlogs, I guess just whatever I'm in the mood for that day. But please make sure to subscribe, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.